Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm in my kitchen and look at what I got here from Cook Guy. Let me open this up here and I'll show you here. It should be a multi-faceted tool here. But look at this. So we have this here, and so we can adjust the cheese slices. So it's like a cheese slicer, you know? So we can adjust the depth of it, I guess, with this. You can see as I turn it, it gets to be a deeper depth. So like if I was gonna cut cheese or butter or something like that, it would give me the ability to do that. And then I can use this to stab stuff to move it and whatever else. So I don't really have any cheese, but I have some butter. Let's go give this thing a try on a piece of butter. It's really interesting to see how it does. My butter's messed up. But you can kind of get the idea. So it'll be, you go by the side that's down. Do I have any depth on it now? I do have a little bit of depth on it right now. So let's just see what happens when we slice into my butter. Should cut it like butter. So you just kind of go and look at that. It's gonna make like a nice thin little piece of that. So if I was gonna make some butter toast, I could make a nice thin piece of butter to go on top of it. I'm not actually gonna use this one here right now, but you can see, and it's by Cook Guy. A little bit of butter stuck on it, but it's a nice little piece here, and it's cool the way you can adjust the depth so I can make thick slices or thin slices all with the same tool here. So it's not just some set one. So if you want a nice thick slab of cheese or something like that, you just kind of scoot it on down there and do that. So super cool. I like this. It's a nice little device, but that would be a real thick piece, but very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.